just getting started on TikTok and you can't figure out if you should have a personal or a business account? In this video, I'm going to talk to you all about what is the difference between a business account on TikTok and a personal account, plus which one that you should have right now. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Keenya, where I teach you how to use a TikTok platform to generate more leads and ultimately make more money in your business. And today we're talking about the different account types on TikTok. Now, if you are an OG on TikTok, then you know there used to be 3 different types of accounts. There used to be a personal account, a creator account, and a business account. Well, right now it is 2022 and there are only 2 types of accounts. There is a personal/creator account, same thing. And then 2, there is a business account. If you are a business, which is what my videos are all about, you need to know something. You can have a personal/creator account and have success on the TikTok platform. You don't necessarily have to have a business account, but let's talk about it. So also, it's important to know that right now in October of 2022, this is what TikTok is doing right now. Something could change later, and if it changes, you'll have an updated video on my channel. On a personal account personal/creator, because depending upon when you look in your app, it may say personal or creator, but they're the same thing. With a personal account, you are able to create and at your leisure. You're able to create videos with audios, with music, with all the things. You can do pretty much whatever you want to do on TikTok at this point, except for something I'm going to mention in just a moment. But with a personal account, even though you can have all the music and all the audios, you do not get access to a clickable link in your bio until you hit 1,000 followers. Once you hit 1,000 followers, you're able to go live on TikTok and you can get a clickable link in your bio. If you have a business account on TikTok, you immediately get a clickable link in your bio. You can't go live until you get to 1,000 followers, but you can't use the trending audios or the copyrighted music because of copyright laws. It's just the law. It's the way that it is. It's not a TikTok thing. It's a law thing. Okay. So if you're someone, you have a business and you want to be able to use the trending audios, the copyrighted music, then you need to have a personal account. Now, I know that the thing is like, well, how do I get people to like a link or something? Well, when I first got started on TikTok and I didn't have a clickable link, honestly, I was driving everybody to my Instagram page. I would say to grab my training, to get this product or whatever, visit my Instagram at Keenya. I had no problem getting people to go to Instagram to get the thing that they wanted from me because they wanted it. And all it was them closing TikTok and going to Instagram and finding me. It was easy. That's just kind of a workaround if you want to have a personal account on TikTok. One of the other benefits of TikTok is they have a couple different business accounts, is that there's a couple other different features. So one of the things that one of my friends has on his TikTok account with a business account is that when he does a TikTok live stream, he can put clickable links in his live stream. So on a personal account, you can't put clickable links in there, but on a business account, you can have a clickable link. But also, if you have a business account on TikTok, you are allowed to do what's called Spark ads. Spark ads are basically where, let's just say that you are a business and you hire me as an influencer to create a piece of content. So if you have a business account, what happens is that if I take that video and I post it on my page, I can turn on, it's called an ad authorization. And when I turn it on, it's going to give me a code. And then I, in turn, will give you that code. And now you are able to run that video as an ad on TikTok, and that's linking back to your page. It shows me as the influencer, but it's linking back to your page. But also what happens is that if you run videos on your account and you want to say, oh, I want to run it as an ad, well, you can take the same code and you can run that as an ad. Now, you don't have to have a personal or business account to run ads in general. That's something totally different. That's in the ads.tiktok account, but you don't have to have that in order to do the Spark ads or what have you. I know you're kind of being confused, but the whole point is that if you want to be able to take a video that an influencer runs and you want to run it as an ad, you need a business account, and then you can use Spark ads for that. If you're not focused on that right now and you really just care about being able to create content using the copyrighted sounds and the audio, because while TikTok is so popular with that right now, you want to have a personal/creator account, and you can change accounts to a business account when you want to. So that's what I would say as it pertains to having a business or a personal account. Me personally, right now, I have a personal account, and I've had a personal account since like I started on TikTok. And most people that I know right now on TikTok have a personal account, and then we just have an ad account for when we run TikTok ads. And so if you have more questions about your account type, be sure to ask in the comments. And if you found this video to be valuable, be sure to comment as well and just ask questions or just say, thanks, girl. And make sure you like and subscribe to this channel so that you can always get all the updates on TikTok and being able to make money in your business.